guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, today's Thursday. You know what that is, keto cocktail time. Here's the frustrating part, y'all. I made this video last week and accidentally deleted it from like everything. So we're doing it again. So take 2 on keto cocktail lemon drop. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, you guys, so the first thing that we're gonna do, normally I go over the ingredients, but there's actually something you need to do. Most of my cocktails are quite simple. You like that about that, and so do I, because I'm one that does not like a lot of fuss and muss. Let's make a quick cocktail, let's make it good, let's make it pretty, and let's make it fun. This one is a lemon drop. A lemon drop is typically so full of sugar. I haven't had a lemon drop in probably 20 years. So the first thing we need to do, the tricky part to this is making a Cointreau or an orange liqueur to add to our lemon drop. Yes, orange to a lemon drop. Trust the process. So the first thing we're going to do is similar to a simple syrup. I've made that in multiple videos. It's quite simple. You literally do equal parts sugar, as in monk fruit sugar, which is a low carb sugar, okay? It's a monk fruit sweetener and it's actually good for you. It's not a bad sugar. You know how some of those like diet sugars or whatever are bad for you? No, this is a good sugar. So you take a little saucepan and it's equal parts water to monk fruit sugar. So that's what we're gonna do, but we're going to change things up again. So you do need simple syrup. I've already made it. It's already been in the fridge. And do you see how clear it is? You don't see any sugar crystals. That's what you want. You want to make sure that everything is combined. So let's do it. Let's turn on. I'm going to use 2/3 cup of water. This is typically the ratio that I make when I'm doing this. And 2/3 cup of monk fruit sugar. I'm going to do it right over in case a little extra gets in. We're okay with that. I actually put just slightly less because I'm gonna rinse this out so that I don't miss any of the sugar. There we go. And in it goes. Now, the idea with this, so this is a simple syrup right here, okay? And then from this point forward, you can make any kind of simple syrup you want. We did blackberries. Do you remember that? Basil and blackberry infused margarita. See how cloudy it is? It's going to become translucent. So while that's happening, I took a nice big navel orange, and what I'm going to do is to peel some nice long strips of the zest. You see that? No white. I mean, if you get a little, it's not the end of the world, you guys, okay? And I'm gonna use the whole orange peel. That is what is going to give us our orange liqueur. Now, what I have sitting here is a cute little mason jar. These are for overnight oats, but it makes a cute little container. That is what I'm gonna use to put this in the fridge. And it's gonna go white to orange. So I have all this beautiful zest sitting right here waiting. But we have to wait until this is clear. It's gonna take a few minutes. We're just doing a nice little slow simmer. Okay guys, so I just want to show you, see how nice and clear that is? It is at a simmer. So I'm going to put in all of those beautiful orange peels. And we're just going to let it simmer on low heat for a little bit. And then we're going to put it in the mason jar. Little mason jar, if you will. And what I'm going to do is I'm using a regular vodka. This is Tito's. I know you're like, wait, no DBeauty's. Oh, we'll get there. But for now, we're just going to put 2 ounces of vodka in the mason jar, okay? We're just letting that simmer. And the best thing to do is actually let it simmer for about 30 minutes, turn it off the heat and just let it steep. Just let it sit there and just have the heat pull all of that gorgeous orange flavor out of the zest. I know typically my cocktails are very easy, but the beautiful thing is with this amount, it's multiple cocktails, you guys. You're not using a lot of it. And in fact, you can use it for multiple cocktails because not only does it have the flavor of Cointreau or triple sec, which is basically both are like orange liqueurs, and I'm not a mixologist, so you know, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just saying it the way I like. These are Darlene cocktails, okay? So this is doing its thing. I will be back. Today's Thursday, that means it's keto cocktail time, and we are doing a lemon drop. Before we get started, got to show you the lemon drop earrings. How cute are those? And then just so we're clear, how cute is this little dress? In case you haven't seen it, hold on, I'm gonna back up. How cute is this flippin' dress? I know, I don't know, it just screamed lemon drop to me. Maybe because green and the lemons. All right, let's talk about ingredients. That's why you're here, right? All right, super simple. Nice chilled glass. The first thing we're gonna do, take a little bit of lemon, rim the entire glass. You're gonna take a monk fruit sugar, okay, right here. All right, glass done, sitting there. It's way too hot to be out here, but it's so pretty to not be out here. All right, what are the ingredients? All right, so we need a Cointreau or a, this is Darlene's recipe, remember, no judgment, or a orange liqueur, right? Well, we can't have that, so since I do high in carbs. So we made our own. Need a simple syrup. And then we want some lemon, vodka, and if you're gonna do a lemon drop, why not do DBeauty's lemon vodka? No, I am not sponsored by them, I promise. And then some lemon zest, because that's what I want. You need, you don't need, but then of course I am gonna have some fancy cute lemon ice to top, okay? And probably a little garnished rimmed martini glass. We've got our shaker with ice. Let's get this party started. All right, so we need 1.5 ounces of DBeauty's lime vodka. Close to 2 ounces, by the way. That's a little closer to 2 ounces. Oh, let me get the lid off. We're gonna take 1/2 ounce of our gorgeous, look how beautiful that color is, 1/2 ounce of what is going to be our orange liqueur. For all intents purposes. Then we're going to take 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Remember, the difference is this has the orange peel that's been sitting, steeping, sitting in your fridge for a couple days, and also regular vodka. Then we're going to take 1 ounce of lime juice. Ooh, almost. Aha, wonderful. I'm going to put a tiny sprig of mint in there because I like mint, you guys. All right, now we're going to do its thing. All right, here we go. You want it cold, you guys. Gorgeous. Now we are going to set a beautiful lemon right on top. And then because, you know, I like ice cubes. I like things to stay nice and beautiful. I have my little lemon ice cube that's gonna sit right on top, a little bit of lemon zest on top, and a tiny little sprig of mint because I like mint. And there you have it. Gorgeous. Now let's give it a try. All right, you guys, let's give it a try. And have I ever made this before? No. And is it 100 degrees outside? Yes. But we're gonna give it a try. Are you ready? Here we go. It's pretty perfect. Notice how I moved to the next little section that has the monk fruit sugar. Mmm. Super refreshing. Not too strong. Even though this probably has closest, if not to the most liquor that I've ever put into one of the keto cocktails. But let me tell you something. So refreshing, and that mint is not overpowering at all. You could leave it out, of course. It's just, it's gorgeous. And you just have that hint of that orange liqueur that we made. All right, you guys, as always, there's a giant behind me. Woo! Doing yard work, but you know, he's trying cocktail number 2 because I filmed 2 cocktails in a day. This is a lemon drop, baby, try it. And he loves lemon drops. Not so much a lemon drop. Okay.
Sorry I look like this, but I am sweating like a dog.
Just try. It's probably gonna suck it down. Does it taste like a lemon drop?
It's good.
Refreshing?
Yes.
Okay.
Awesome.
So do we have a thumbs up? Awesome. All right, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Cheers.